What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel in another video. Today we're going to be doing another simple pour. This is going to be just a straight pour using fluorescent orange. We have a bright magenta and then a titanium white. All the colors are mixed, 2 parts pouring medium to 1 part paint. There's no oil in any of these colors because I want to have some really interesting line work going on. And I feel like the best way to accomplish that is to not use oil. I want to create really cool layering and some transparency because the orange is not an opaque color. So we should be able to see the other colors through it. And I'm going to let some of these churn just a little bit. I do want to have some color mixing. Not a whole lot, but some. All right, now we get to the fun part, which is the straight pour. I think I'm going to give it a little bit of a spin so while we're pouring it, it can create its own design. That looks really rad. Yeah, I like that a lot. All right, so there's so much tiny detail going on through there. Let's center it a little bit and then stretch it out. Ooh, that is so cool. Look at the ripples going on. Woo! That is really awesome looking. Wow. Well, this is super fast. Let me get you guys down here and check this thing out. I love it. Got a lot of transparency going on. What? So many little layers going on in this. It's like a vortex of orange or fire. Gorgeous.
If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.